Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. And in this video we are going to speak about basically how to create a more inviting space in your home, how to create a more relaxing atmosphere in your home, and we're going to discuss that basically by using candles, and particularly the candles from Green Beauty for Us. As you guys know, Green Beauty for Us is a company that I've been working with for a very long time now. It is by Keisha, one of my close friends. And she runs and operates this company, and it offers a lot of different wellness for everything in your life, whether it's beauty, whether it's home, for just everything in your life. Green Beauty for Us offers the holistic wellness products for those items, for that need. For that need. The new items that are recently launched on her website are candles. And if you guys don't know already, I absolutely love candles. I love the way they, not only the scent, because the scent is a major part for me, but the way that the flame flickers and it lights up the home. Something about the flame, I just love seeing it flicker. Especially at night, I just love watching the flame of a candle. And the smell is also great as well. She does have a few different candles that are offered on the site, and these candles are hand poured by Natural Annie Essentials. And if you guys don't know already, Natural Annie Essentials is another candle making brand that I also work with and I also partner with. So great collaborations. I love when companies work together, women of color representing, supporting each other. I just love it. So the candles are poured by Natural Annie Essentials, means that they they're poured, made physically by her, but the design, the creation, the scents, everything, the thought process, all of that is by Green Beauty for Us, which is Keisha. She does offer a few different candles on her website. The four different varieties, I would say. Let me explain. We have the Quartz Flower, the Citrine Joy, and the Sweet Amethyst. And she also offers a range of meditation candles, which are not scented, but they're great for meditation, and especially when you do yoga or meditating based on the different chakras. So first, let's get into the scented candles. I have two of the three. I have Citrine Joy, and I have Quartz Flower, and I have one of the meditation candles, the red one, which is for the root chakra. So first and foremost, as you guys know, I have to open these candles. I have to smell them. Yes, I already smelled them, I know, but I'm gonna smell them again as if it was the first time and give you guys, my scent inspirations, because that's what you guys are here for, and that's what I love doing. So let's start with Quartz Flower. All right, let me get my nostrils ready. Here we go. This one is so common. Okay, let's set the visuals, the imagery. This reminds me of a flower garden. I've pictured myself in a long, flowy, white gown with hints of blues and light blues. And I'm walking through a flower garden, and I'm just running my hand against the different petals and different plants and different flowers. And the aroma of all of those flowers are just hitting me in my nostrils. It's just overpowering me. And I'm just the wind is blowing. It does have a slight sweet scent to it. It's a little bit of sweet. But it's just really blissful, take me away, easy breezy, just in a garden, just an endless garden of flowers and just all around me. And I'm just walking and just living my best life in this flower. I can smell a little bit of rose. I do have a light scent of rose, but there are other notes as well, but it's more of a slight sweet flowery flower garden scent. And definitely, of course, when I'm in the flower garden, I'm wearing my flower crown as well, because why would I be in a flower garden without my flower crown? So yeah, that's how this one smells. Okay, all right. So let's see if I describe it accurately. On the website, it states that Quartz Flower candle has light floral notes of tea, rose, ylang ylang come together to create this loving experience for your space. Infused with the properties of rose quartz, this candle exudes love and caring. So it is infused with the properties of rose quartz, and it just will basically invite a very calm, peaceful, loving space in your home. Now, because the quartz candle is infused with quartz. I like to burn it in my bedroom. This is my bedroom. Well, just part of my bedroom. I'm showing you where the candle is. And I put it in between my plants right here. And it just burns and produces a nice aroma for the bedroom, you know. Get that love vibe going. Get that feeling of relaxation and roses. But definitely with the infusion of the quartz, it definitely gets like, you know, the feeling of love. And I want that to be in my bedroom at all times. So that's what I choose. My preference is to keep the quartz flower candle in my bedroom. So I just wanted to show you guys how I burn it. And it's right next to my little Buddha statue with, as you can see, a quartz stone. Now let's try the Citrine Joy. All right, Citrine Joy. All right, let me. Ooh. This one has me salivating. It's like when I smelled this one, my taste glands just perked up. And I'm tasting and I'm smelling more of a, not tasting, but you know what I mean. I get notes of citrus. Definitely notes of citrus in this one. I'm picturing myself like on a farm, but I'm inside, like in a farmhouse. And I'm at my sink and I'm looking through the window at the lush greenery, my farm in front of me, and I have all these trees and plants and stuff, you know, looking out at the farm. But in my kitchen, I'm over my big farm sink and I'm cutting oranges and lemons and limes. I'm just cutting a lot of citrus fruits, and the windows open and the curtains are blowing, and it just feels like a nice cool southern summer air just blowing into my house. And that big wooden farm, has to be wood, wooden farmhouse, and it's just really like, you know, that nice warm cool air. It's hot, but it's not too hot, and it's just like that summer heat, but it's really good. And I'm just slicing, like, it's like I'm about to make lemonade, but I'm slicing oranges as well and lemons. This is what I get from this one. But there's something else that I can't. There's something else, but this one has more of a citrus note to it. Oh, this is good. This is really good. So let's see how accurate I was. Okay. Citrine Joy says, crisp and uplifting is the perfect way to describe our Citrine Joy candle. Tell me I don't know my sense. Tell me. Citrus and honey. Oh, that's what I probably couldn't get, was the honey. Come together to create this joyful experience for your space. Infused with the properties of citrine, this candle is sure to become one of your new favorites. For the Citrine Joy candle, I like to burn this one in my office. As you guys can see, this is where I get a lot of work done. Books, my computer is behind me. Because of the high citrus notes, it just invites a more creative thought process for me. I like to keep it here with a few of my plants. I also have a citrine crystal right next to it. Last but not least are the chakra candles, and they are 7 in total. You know, chakras. And the one that I got is the root chakra candle. Now they are color coded based on the different chakras, and the root chakra is represented by the color red. That's like the base, and the first chakra more aligned with your spine. Now these are not scented. They're just candles basically for, of course, the beautiful color, but just to create that ambiance. If you're meditating, usually meditate from me in more of a dimmed light or a darker space, just me, and you light the candle, so it has that, you know, that look, the image again of the candle flickering can also help with your meditation. So these are more for opening the chakras and balancing the chakras and aligning your energy, especially when you're in that meditative space, if you have one in your home. So definitely, they have, like I said, the different colors. We have the root chakra, the throat chakra, the crown chakra, the sacral chakra, the third eye chakra, the heart chakra, and the solar plexus chakra. But I have the root chakra. And for the root chakra candle, I usually like to burn that one in my living room space, only because that's where I lay out my yoga mat, as you guys can see, and I do some light morning stretches. So it's just there for me if I need to meditate or do some morning stretches. On my yoga mat, that candle is right there, and that's where I choose to put the root chakra candles. Not candles. Yoga mat. Stretching is good for you guys, so try to stretch every morning. Get the joints and blood flowing. So the root chakra is more if you want to have a grounded feeling, if you want to be more connected to the earth, because it is the base chakra, then the red one is for you, the root chakra. But there are others on the site, so you can definitely check them out. If you guys are interested, definitely go ahead and, you know, check the link in the description box. Green Beauty for us, support, support, support. Oh, I have a coupon code. So if you guys are interested in purchasing, you can use my coupon code. It's Kaya, Kaya, and you will save on your purchase with Green Beauty for us. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the love and support in everything that I do. And that's all.